Hello there. Let's begin with the support colors for our last piece, which is B2. For the seed beads, I used the 131F. And for the faceted beads, I used the 06 crystal. Now here I have the B2 already connected, so we'll use this as a guide for connecting on our faceted beads. So we want to lay out our piece with the T2 at the top and the 2-2 on the side, and then we will lay out our B2 piece so that it matches here. And here are the colors we are using for our connection. Now we're going to go along the bottom of 1-2, so we will take the string coming out of 2-2 here, and we will add 1 bead to it. Then we will go through the corner of B2 and take both of our strings and now we're going to take 1 bead and cross it. And now I'll turn my piece so that it's easier to work with. And I'm going to go through the second and third bead on the side of both squares. And then we'll take both strings and we will cross a bead. Then we'll go through the 4th and 5th side beads on each square. And we'll take both strings and we will cross. Now in the last cube, if you remember, I allowed the faceted bead piece to lay flat, and then the corners got too loose, so this time, as you can see, I'm keeping it tight so it is standing up on its own. The seed beads, it's okay to lay flat. It doesn't seem to affect it the way that it does with the faceted beads. Now we're going through the 6th and 7th bead on the side of both squares. We'll take both strings and cross bead. And now we'll go to the corner on each square. And that puts us in position for adding on our next square when it is complete. I hope you are enjoying the project. If you have any questions or comments, please post them and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Happy beading!